word on the street.
It's vote day. We're all here voting on campus. And, you know, it's vote day. It's election day. This is like the Coachella of voting for college students. What are you doing? You're watching this video. Maybe you're here voting. Maybe it's over. Maybe after you voted, you came back and watched this video. But today is election day on ISU campus. I am Granddaddy Sandwich. How's it going? And today I'm going to be interviewing you, the students, on who you voted for, not who you voted for, how many times you voted, why you voted. Today's the day. It's election day. You guys just got through voting, right?
Yes.
How was it?
I mean, it was pretty cool.
Intimidating?
It was a little intimidating.
Yeah.
I think the room, when you went in, not that it was scary or anything, I don't know, it was just the setup, like the bright lights, you know.
The tone and everything.
Yeah, definitely the tone. I would definitely say it wasn't an efficient process, the way they had everything set up. You know, if you already registered, go through this line. If you still didn't register, go through this line. They made sure they had several applications and sheets if you weren't registered. So, I mean, it was a very efficient process. I think it was just kind of maybe tedious, maybe, because it's like once we finally registered, then you got to go through another line to actually...
Jumping through hoops to get what you guys want. So
Exactly.
I'm going to test your true Americanism. True Americanism.
Okay.
Americanism.
Americanism?
I just made it up. Anyway,
Like it.
how many stripes are on the flag?
13.
13. Stars. Colors.
3.
Oh, well, I was saying like what are the colors?
Oh God, red, white, and blue.
Your civic duty, she says.
Yeah. I think also I didn't take voting very seriously until this last election, and so I very much want to sort of work within the system and see what kind of change we can make that way.
Right, hopefully everything goes your guys' way, for sure. How was the wait?
It's not too bad. It's not as bad as I saw the line, but it wasn't as long as I anticipated.
How long do you think you've been like in the line?
I'd say like
15 minutes. 1-5. 15. That's a number. So you haven't even entered the line yet. You just waiting.
Oh yeah, this line's long.
She stepped aside so we can interview her. The previous person said they've been waiting for 15 minutes. I hope you don't have to wait that long.
I don't mind waiting. I ain't got nothing else to do anyway.
So you said voting is important to you.
Yeah.
Can you give us a little bit more detail about that?
Well, ever since I turned 18, I've been making it my right to vote. Like, especially if you're a woman or a person of color, you should definitely be out there voting because, like, our ancestors couldn't do this back in the day, but now we're able to do this. So why should you not be out there voting for what you believe in?
Absolutely. What are you most excited for in terms of voting?
I'm most excited for seeing some change. I'm from Chicago, and the last person that we had in office, he did not do what he was supposed to do, so I'm here to see some change.
Chi-town. A little bit barking right there. Right, so if America could have a smell, what do you think it smells like?
Smell anything. Some Papa John's pizza.
Papa John's pizza, that's an accurate name. What would it taste like? Would it also taste like Papa John's?
It tastes like the crust.
Crust?
The Parmesan crust.
Okay. Now, have you voted before? First timer? First timer! Sorry, got excited. First time voter, that's exciting. Okay. You just got through voting, right?
Yep, I just voted.
You look a little bit
I'm a little timid right now, yeah.
timid and jittery, yeah. So what does voting mean?
Actually, I just got done telling my friend this, but the reason I vote is because before my grandmother had passed, I voted in the 2016 election, and she had said, "I'm so proud of you for voting because there was a time when women weren't able to in the country." So it's really personal for me, and as a fellow woman in the United States, I believe that a lot of people fought for our power to vote. So
That's a nice
yeah,
one. So,
really personal for me.
really personal. I like like stickers.
We like stickers.
We like stickers.
We like stickers.
She's got hers in her pocket.
We like stickers.
We like stickers. Stickers are great.
They were for the free.
Look, I'm 21 and I still like stickers.
Out there and vote. You can't have an opinion on it unless you were out here making a change for it.
I respect that.